So what are you making today, babe?
Okay, so this is like a sauce that we put on like anything that has to do with a taco. A burrito, a taco. We usually make the sauce, and I can't believe I haven't put it out yet. I don't know. What's wrong with me? Anyways, it's pretty simple. We also use this for a substitute for mayo on bread and, like, you know, cheese and, you know, whatever you want to put on a sandwich. A sandwich. We use this instead of, you know, getting mayo. We don't have mayo in this house anymore.
So it's kind of an everything spread.
Well, if you want a Tex-Mex flavor to it, then put this on it. And that's the reason why we usually do it with like tacos and burritos and all that. Okay, let's go with this. Turn on that cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up. We're in a temperature switch. You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back in.
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
Only 2 cups.
So is the yogurt thick enough?
Well, yeah, you put it in the fridge. Think of mayo. If you left mayo out on the counter, it would be all runny. So you gotta keep it refrigerated. Okay. So that was about 2 cups, or was 2 cups. That guy's brand new bottle. Spice World. I'm not sponsored. I wish I was. This stuff's expensive. Well, not really, considering how much I put garlic in like every single thing we do.
And you don't have to crush it.
No, and it probably lasts about 2 weeks. So if you never use garlic, this would probably last you a long time, but I wouldn't recommend that. Once you open it, use it.
So how much garlic are you throwing in there?
We are going to do about 4 cloves. Which is 4 tablespoons. I think you didn't know that. 1 clove equals, when you chop it up, about 1 tablespoon. Let's see if I can get it. It's not going, it's just really counting. I have a half a teaspoon. This is the reason why I'm doing this. Because that's only 2 teaspoons of salt. Let's see. The magic. Cumin.
Cumin is the magic.
You want anything to taste like tacos? Cumin. So that's 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. 3 teaspoons.
Cumin needs to fix her lids.
Yeah, I know. I'm not going to though. Well, it's not cumin, it's the brownie one. I'm not going to say the brownie one. I like them.
Comment down below, we'll tell you what brand it is.
Well, it's all of them actually. I'm gonna do 1.5 teaspoons of that. Seems like a good spice combo. A little bit of spice to it. And pepper and chili powder will do that.
That's why I use the, not the ground powder pepper.
Oh, you can. I just prefer grinding my own.
Good workout.
Well, I mean, it gives you a fresher pepper taste, you know? It's like fresh, it's the peppercorn, and then you grind it, and it's like, it's a whole new, different level of taste. If you've never, like, tried doing that with your peppercorns, and you just do, like, the powder chili, what is it called, pepper powder or something?
Ground pepper.
Yeah, ground pepper. Completely different taste.
Yeah, we started using sour cream and yogurt as our spreads and dips for a long time now.
About 4 years. Ever since I found out that every single mayonnaise that you can buy has soybean oil in it. Not good for you. Put it in the fridge to marinate. We gotta taste it first. Make sure we got all of the ingredients in. It's gonna marinate nicely. I can taste all the ingredients, but they just need to marinate.
And how long should you marinate it before?
An hour to get what, you know, like even all my sauces, I always say marinate. And my cheese balls, I say marinate for an hour. That's where you're going to get the best flavors coming out. And preferably 2 hours, but you can get away with 1 hour and it's still really good. So we're going to do it for an hour. Okay. Now we're going to marinate. Let's put the lid on. To 2 hours. We're going to do 1.
Oh, that looks a lot thicker, babe.
It is. It's kind of stupid.
What?
I said this is kind of dumb. Why am I putting this into here? The serving bowl. That way you can put the rest in your fridge, and it doesn't have all. Because this is going to be like, I don't know, 2 servings. Well, for us, it's going to be a lot more. No, it's going to be really nice. We'll probably use this much, which is sad. Well, it's not sad. It's yummy.
Y'all stay tuned.
Alright, just a sec. I don't know. There's hair on me.
Bella?
Probably. I did pictures.
Oh.